We're gonna do the most unbelievable things you've ever seen in business history.
It's not who and what you are today that's important. It's what you can become in the future. That's amazing.
You get out and you make it happen.
Welcome to kickoff.
This is what happens when a group of people get together, have a mission, have a vision, amazing things happen.
We got a brand new year. Whatever you had to do to be here is a huge deal.
This is the perfect time for you to build your businesses. The perfect time for you to start building your communities. The perfect time for you to start accelerating your efforts. Alright? So we're going to be creating an amazing new Herbalife that's going to be taking full advantage of any of the opportunities that lay ahead.
An absolutely unbelievable day, but we are ready for some fun tonight.
I'm just so excited about where we are now, especially being kickoff, because it's called kickoff for a reason. It's your blank canvas. It's your 2023.
Ups and downs, we've all had it, guys, but Herbalife gives us the opportunity to become better, to do things that we would never have dreamed possible.
Herbalife 2.0 is here. So please have some vision for your future. You're like a lighthouse for all the lost ships that are in the darkness. Remember your mission, remember who you are and the impact that you make in the world. And that, my friends, is what we are up to here